Today we are balancing the following reaction in acidic medium. Dichromate ion plus iron 2 ion gives iron 3 ion plus chromium 3 ion. Since this reaction occurs in acidic medium, we will use the half reaction method. First, identify oxidation and reduction. Iron changes from iron 2 ion to iron 3 ion, so iron is oxidized. Chromium in dichromate ion changes from +6 to +3 in chromium 3 ion, so chromium is reduced. I will show you how we arrived at that here. Oxidation number of oxygen here is -2. Making chromium atom X, we will have 2x plus 7 times -2 equals -2. That is, according to oxidation state rules, sum of oxidation numbers in a polyatomic ion equals the charge of the ion. Solving for x brings us to x equals +6. This implies oxidation number of chromium in dichromate ion is +6. Now write the oxidation half reaction. Balance the charge by adding 1 electron to the product side. Write the reduction half reaction. Dichromate ion to chromium 3 ion. Balance chromium. Balance oxygen by adding water. Balance hydrogen by adding 14 hydrogen ions to the left side off T equation. Now balance the charge. The left side has a total charge of +12, and the right side has a charge of +6. So we add 6 electrons to the left side. Now equalize the electrons. The reduction half reaction uses 6 electrons, while the oxidation half reaction produces 1 electron. So multiply the iron half reaction by 6. Now add the 2 half reactions and cancel the 6 electrons. Our final balanced equation is then 1 dichromate ion reacts with 14 hydrogen ions and 6 iron 2 ions to produce 6 iron 3 ions, 2 chromium 3 ions, and 7 water molecules. Let's do a quick check to confirm that both mass and charge are balanced. We have 2 chromium atoms on both sides off T equation. Iron, 6 on both sides. Oxygen, 7 on both sides. Hydrogen, 14 on both sides. Charge on the left is +24, and charge on the right is also +24. Atoms and charges on both sides of the equation are balanced. We can now say that the equation is balanced. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. It means a lot to all of us. That way, you'll be the first to know about our new videos.